Finally, today our Zeno arrived. We won this thing at a worldwide wrap event during SEMA in Las Vegas, and we're super excited to get started with the Zeno. So let's unpack the beast. This should be the heart of the beast. Some stuff. The heart of the beast. Check it out. So now our Zeno is fully set up and we're ready to render your cars in the colors of your dreams. So we can pick any car that's into the system. We've chosen a red Model 3 and we can just pick one of the colors of the Avery range. Let's say gray, gloss or satin or green. We can absolutely change everything. And we can also change the color of mirrors to black. So we can configure the whole car like you wish and have a full rendering. So you know how your wrap will look like before you order it. So if you want to see your car in the color of your dreams, just contact us and we'll get in touch ASAP.